What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media, back in another video. Today we'll be having more installation mods on my Lexus RCF. So we just had the RCF washed down, looks amazing. In my opinion, this infrared color is the best color. So nice in the sun or in the shade. Camera doesn't really pick it up too well, but we'll be installing some car parts for it. We'll be having carbon fiber mods. We do have some carbon goodies that we add on the car, as well as some carbon goodies that came on the car, like the roof, the wing. But today we'll be installing more carbon fiber goodies in the interior. So interior wise, everything is pretty much stock. Let's go ahead and show you guys. The only thing that I did that's aftermarket is the dash cam right there. So we'll be installing small little subtle carbon goodies for the interior. So I want to show you guys what we have here in the box. I did buy these carbon goodies from a fellow Lexus group owner. Goes by Marcus. I'll also link his Instagram page if you guys want some custom carbon fiber goodies for your car. Pretty much your Lexus RC platforms, the new IS platforms. Pretty much any Lexus you own, hit him up if you want your carbon fiber goodies. So really nice packaging. Nice little thank you card. This is a steering wheel airbag cover, so we're replacing this piece right here. We'll be making that install in a separate video, but let me just show you guys. I think it looks amazing. This is how it looks. So red leather stitching, as well as the carbon fiber Lexus logo. So if you're going to compare that to OEM, this is how it's going to look. I think it's going to look so nice. Ties in well with the red color exterior. So like I said, separate install video. This is an airbag cover piece. We do have the removal airbag itself. Today we'll be doing a super simple DIY install video. I have another piece here from him. I'll show you guys what we have in here. So again, I want to say a big thank you to him because really nice packaging. So same thing, leather with the red stitch, matches perfectly. Carbon fiber. So we're replacing the OEM shift knob. Nothing wrong with the OEM setup, but who doesn't love nice red stitching with carbon fiber? So yeah, let's go ahead and swap it out. Okay, so to install the new shift knob is super easy. Again, nothing wrong with my shift knob, but you know, carbon goodies always looks nicer. So what you want to do first is this shift boot. You want to go ahead and pull it down. No tools needed. Just going to gently pull it down. And then once that's been pulled down, you can go ahead and turn this anti-clockwise, lefty-loosey. Should come right out. So super easy, uninstall and install. Okay, so go ahead and pull it down. Apply a little bit of pressure, like so. And then once you have this shift boot down, you can hold it down in place. It's just held on by little plastic clip tabs right here, and then you're gonna turn it anti-clockwise, lefty-loosey, just like so. If you're getting loose, and if you guys forget whether to turn it clockwise or anti-clockwise to loosen, just remember lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. So I know kids like to say that to remember, but easy tip to remember to turn left or right. So now that that's off, let's do a side-by-side comparison with the OEM RCF shift knob as well as the aftermarket one. Alright, so here's a close-up look of the OEM RCF shift knob. Nice leather grip, perforated leather, blue stitching. So you guys might notice there's blue stitching everywhere around the car, whether it's on the steering wheel right here, little blue stitching right here, blue stitching right here. So you really have blue stitching all around the car. It would be nice if you can eventually swap everything out to red stitching to match with the red exterior of the car. Comparing it to the new shift knob, carbon perforated leather with the red stitching. So yeah, really nice. Okay, and to install it, super easy. Shift knob, go ahead and fit it in the thread, righty tighty. Just gonna go ahead and turn clockwise. Turn it until it feels pretty tight and snug. Once you have it in the right position, you can go ahead and lift this piece up, this little shift boot, and clip it in place. There we go. Alright, so love the carbon accent. I think it ties really nice with some of the carbon accents in the car, like the glove box carbon trim, as well as the window switch carbon trim. All these are OEM pieces on the Lexus RCF. Only thing that kind of bugs me, I'm a little bit OCD about it, is the red stitching. It looks great, but we do have blue stitching on the shift boot. So eventually, if I do want to swap that out to look a little nicer, we can also swap out the shift boot as well, just so the red ties in with red as well. Or what do you guys think? Should I just leave it like that? Red, blue, and white, American colors? Alright, this super easy, simple DIY video all done, no tools needed. Let's go ahead and do a simple B-roll for you guys. Alright, hope you guys liked the super easy, simple DIY video. Again, stay tuned for other install mods on the RCF. We'll be having the airbag install. Thank you for watching, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.